almost countdown to Christmas time, and I have my trusty friend back here with me. We're ready to show you some unique ways to count down to Christmas, and you can also use these as gifts. So let's go inside and check out what I got for you today. For our first idea slash project, we're going to be doing a nativity countdown, and I got this nativity set at Hobby Lobby when it was on sale. These are just unfinished wood. I made this printable that had a star that went with each one of the pieces along with a scripture, and I'm just going to go ahead and place the piece into the bag. Once I have the piece in the bag, I'm just going to fold over the top and I'm going to staple my star to the top. This is super easy but a really fun gift idea. My son loves nativities, and so my plan is to have him open each piece and read the scripture as he goes through the 12 days. But here it is for you guys. Let me know what you think about this one. This one is for the book lover in your family. So I went to my local used bookstore, and there was several kids books that had to do with Christmas. There was also a huge adult section that had to do with Christmas as well. So I picked up several of those, and then when I went over to the adult section, I picked up a couple of chapter books just to give me like a chapter book for the season. But then I went ahead and went home and I got some Christmas wrapping paper that I had picked up at the Dollar Tree, and I just kind of arranged these in size, and then I wrapped each one of the books up in my wrapping paper. I used 3 different styles of wrapping paper just to give my tree a little bit of dimension, I guess, or a little bit of funness. You could use the same wrapping paper. This would make a really fun gift too for the book lover in your family. But after I got them all wrapped up, I kind of arranged them as in a tree kind of shape. And here it is for you guys. Let me know what you think about this one. This idea, we're going to create a pet treat countdown, and this is for my sister-in-law. She has 2 dogs, so I went over to the Dollar Tree and I picked up some of the snacks that they had at the Dollar Tree. I made sure there were multiple snacks for each of her pets to get something on each day. I picked up some that had like multiple treats in the bag, and then some of the bones, I picked up 2 of those bones. I also went over to Big Lots, which is one of my very favorite places to shop, but I picked up some cat treats for my own kitty at home. That's what we call him. If you're not wanting to create a pet countdown, you can also pick up these pre-made ones. They have treats inside and they are super fun as well if you want to give your pet a little bit of a spoil this Christmas. I have these Christmas tags that I got from the Dollar Tree and some number stickers that I also picked up at Hobby Lobby. The treat bags also came from the Dollar Tree and they're super cute. They have little dogs on them, which I thought was so adorable and fitting for this one. I'm just going to tape each one of my gift tags to the front of these little treat bags, and then I'm going to add a treat into each bag. For the bones, I added 2 to the bag. These bags were able to hold all the treats that I picked up, so they definitely will hold quite a bit of things. Once I have them all in the bag, I picked up this super cute little bucket that they have in the like baking area at the Dollar Tree. I'm just going to arrange them all into the bucket, and then is it for this one. Now, if you wanted to add a tag to the front because it's a gift, you could totally do that. I thought it would be really cute to say the 12 woofs of Christmas, but let me know what you guys think about this one. For this idea, we're going to be using a gift bag countdown, and I went over to Dollar Tree and picked up these treat bags in the same area that I got the one for the pets idea, but these are the treat sacks that are paper. I also went over to Big Lots and picked up one of these 12 Cocos of Christmas. I actually picked up 2 of them. There was one in this little section that looked like a cocoa, and then there was one in the boxes. So we're going to be using the box one for this idea, but we're going to take all of the treat bags out of the packaging. Since there are 12 boxes of cocoa, I'm going to go ahead and split up my bags to be even amount for each of the designs. I thought that would be super fun, and it makes it a little bit more like aesthetically fun to look at. So then I'm going to add my box to my bag. I'm just going to fold it over, and then I'm going to staple it. I have these stickers that are just 1 to 24, and I'm just going to add a little sticker up in the corner. I thought it would be a really fun way to display these in a tiered tray, so I'm just going to go ahead and kind of move the bags around the top and bottom of the tray just so that it's like a super fun tabletop decor. But let me know what you guys think about this one. This idea we're going to be doing a sticker countdown, and I found these at Big Lots. They are $5. They have a couple different designs, but they come with the stickers, and the actual advent part itself is a sticker. So I went ahead and picked up the Santa because if you know me or watch me at all, you know I have a huge Santa collection. And so I went ahead and picked up Santa. So if we take him out of the package, he is just a giant sticker. I am using one of those wood I guess it's a sign that you can pick up at Dollar Tree in the Dollar Tree Plus section. They are $3. I didn't paint it or anything because I like the natural wood color, but you could definitely paint this any color you like. I just attached the sticker, and you guys, that is as easy as it gets because you're not going to put the stickers on his beard yet, but they do come with like some snowflakes and this little like star thing. You could place them around if you wanted to. I wanted to keep him just Santa to go along with my other decorations, but I just did go ahead and show you here like how you attach the sticker. These are puffy stickers, so you're just going to take them off of the packaging and then stick them over the number. Super easy. This would be fun for kids or grandkids, but to keep a hold of my stickers and not just having it sit out, I decided to tape them to the back of this tray because I use the back of the tray, not the inside, so I just used some Scotch tape. Taped them in there. You could tape your snowflakes in as well if you wanted to, and then that way they have a place to be stored and they are contained and they're not all over the place getting lost. But here this one is. Let me know what you think about it. For this countdown idea, we're going to be using envelopes, and I just picked up these envelopes in the Dollar Tree stationery area using my same sticker numbers I got from Hobby Lobby. I'm just going to label these 1 to 12. Now you could do 1 to 24 if you want. It's really up to you how many you decide to do. Some countdowns are 24, some are 12. But anyway, I'm just going to go ahead and label all of those. Then I decided to put cash in these. I have teenagers, so this would be a really fun one for them. They get to open it and get a mystery amount. So I had some dollar bills, some $5 bills, and I think I even put a $10 bill in there just as a surprise. And then once I had those all done, I took this Dollar Tree sign and a clothespin. I just glued the clothespin to the top, clipped my envelopes there, and then once they open all 12 envelopes, I have this really fun sign for Christmas. Let me know what you think about this one. For this idea, we're going to be doing an activity countdown, and I made these free printables. I had some religious ones and then some more like fun ideas, like just depending on how you like to celebrate Christmas. We're going to be using the movie countdown and the activity countdown for this project, but all the printables come together, and here they are, and I will have them linked down in my description box. I went ahead and you guys, I actually used my silhouette and I printed out Christmas countdown and countdown to Christmas, and then I just attached them to the jars I got from the Dollar Tree. I cut out the activities and the movie strips, and I'm just going to add them to each of the jars. I did poll my community to see what their favorite Christmas movies were, and I made sure to use all of those movies that they included into my list, even some of the more funny ones like Die Hard, which I totally consider a Christmas movie. But here it is. I used all the printable. These little Santa and the snowflakes are also on the printable, and then you can give these as gifts or keep it for yourself. this idea, we're going to be creating treat jars, and this would be kind of fun for a secret Santa or even just for yourself. But you're going to take one of these little jars from the Dollar Tree. I found these super cute Grinch kisses at Big Lots. One of them has a Grinch face on the bottom, and the other one says, "You're a mean one," which I think is adorable. So I'm just going to count out 24 of the kisses and add them to my gold jar. I also got some candy cane ones, and I'm going to add those to the red lid jar. I just thought that was really cute. Then I took this Santa like tag that I got at Hobby Lobby. I poked a hole in it, and I'm just going to use some Baker's twine from the Dollar Tree and wrap it around. The tags say "Eat one each day." I also used a wood round for the Grinch one, and here it is for you guys. Let me know what you think about these. For this idea, we're going to be using a box gift, and I kind of already showed you with the Cocos, but my husband loves hot sauce, and I found these hot sauce gift boxes at Big Lots. This one came with 30, which I thought was really fun, and it was like hot sauces around the world or something. I didn't even know that was a thing. So I decided to go ahead and get this one, and I'm just going to go ahead and take them out of the packages, and then I'm going to use these stockings that I got from the Dollar Tree. I also did some ornaments and things with these stockings, and if you want to check out that video, I will have that down in my description box. But I'm just going to use these gift tags that also came from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to attach them onto each of the stockings. Now I'm doing 24 of these stockings because, like I said, there were 30 of them, but I'm just going to label the little insides of the cards 1 to 24, and then I'm going to take one of the hot sauces and put it into the stocking. Now these stockings don't have like a little hoop thingy, but if you wanted to like string these instead of putting them in the basket, you could totally do that using some twine or nautical rope. So I'm just going to like arrange them into the basket. I got the basket also at the Dollar Tree, and here it is for you guys. Let me know what you think about this one. For this idea, we're just going to be using a pre-made advent box, and I went over to the Dollar Tree in their like Christmas candy area, and they had so many fun ideas to pick up. Now cherry Andes mints are like my favorite thing at Christmas, so I went ahead and picked up 2 packages of those. But if you're not into that, they have these really fun Godiva like domes. They're like, I don't know, and they also have some caramel Ghirardellis, which are also one of my favorite things. But they had a lot of good things to choose from. I only needed 2 packages here, and I just went ahead and grabbed those. So we're going to take those, just open the packages, and all we're going to do is add 1 mint to each one of these boxes. So I'm the one who's going to open this particular advent since my family all got their own advents, but like I said, these Andes mints are my favorite. This is a super easy idea. I'll link some options down in the description box on Amazon if you want to pick up a box, but here it is styled for you guys. Let me know what you think about this one. So for this idea, we're going to create a wooden countdown, and we're using another one of those wooden signs from the the Dollar Tree Plus section. So they are $3 each. I'm using like the back section because it's kind of like a tray on the other side, but I wanted this to be able to stick up and stand out. So I'm just going to lay this down onto the wood sign. I actually created this on my silhouette, which I feel like patting myself on the back. It's super cute and I really like it. However, I made it a tiny bit crooked, so just make sure when you're laying that vinyl down that you have it straight. So then I also picked up these push pins in the Dollar Tree stationery set, and I was able to go ahead and push them all the way through, but still leave a little lip for my wreath. I'm using the pitberry garland. I just wrapped it around a few times, made a little wreath to go around each one of the numbers, and then here it is styled for you guys. Let me know what you think about this one. So if you're not into making any of those or putting them together, they make some of the most adorable pre-made advent calendars that you can use year after year. These two are fabric and you're just going to move the little pieces around. So this one happens to be a candy cane. My kids love to keep these on their bedroom doors and count down, and they use the same one every year. So I have this really cute little Santa guy, and then I have this really cute little gingerbread man. The gingerbread man came from the Target dollar spot several years ago. So just be on the lookout for some of these really fun ones that are really easy and your kids or grandkids would love to put these out and count down Christmas. Let me know what you think about this idea, or if you guys have a advent calendar that you love to use over and over again each year. Thanks for joining Santa and I today, and we're so excited to be counting down to Christmas. I hope your holiday season is fantastic, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, friends!